Welcome to the first episode of the complete record of alien encounters. This will be an ongoing series studying the creature from the Alien films and seeing what can be learned about it. Most of what will be presented is theory, extrapolation and likelihood. Accordingly, it should not be regarded as definitive. The series is based on a number of pieces I wrote for the website Absolute AVP in 2002 and 2003. With the advent of DVD and Blu-ray, greater clarity is available and some entries have been revised and updated. I've used the theatrical version of Alien as a reference, and will do the same for Alien 3 and Alien Resurrection. For Aliens, I will reference the special edition. Deleted material may be examined at some time in the future. I also intend to cover Prometheus and Alien Covenant, as well as the AVP films. I'm assuming that you've seen these films, as I'm going to spoil them something chronic. As Kane descends into the egg cave, in reality the hold of a derelict spacecraft, we encounter a mysterious blue laser, for the first and so far last time. We see Kane descend with no blue laser in shot. Another angle reveals the laser field below him is now visible. Did it just switch on when it detected Kane's approach? The wide angle of Kane dangling reveals a vast cavern full of eggs, arranged without any discernible pattern. But the blue laser is only visible over the clutch of eggs just below him. As Kane gets closer, we notice exhalations from the eggs. The vapour seems to be coming from the tops of the eggs themselves, but is only really visible when it reacts with the laser field. Is the laser field in fact invisible, and therefore activated throughout the whole cavern, but becomes visible when the eggs sense the potential host's approach and begin to, for lack of a better word, breathe? Kane also mentions that it's like the goddamn tropics. Are the exhalations responsible for the heat in the cavern? Ash reported that the planet was deep cold prior to Dallas, Kane and Lambert departing the Nostromo, yet in the cavern it's quite warm. As Kane passes through the field, it reacts with a high-pitched whine but no other visible effect. Is the laser field a stasis field with a triple arm, and someone long dead is now being alerted that the field has been broken? After Kane slips down into the middle of the eggs, one slowly comes to life and we see the facehugger stirring inside the translucent egg. Kane gets closer and touches it, the egg reacting with a sharp hiss, perhaps a warning, after which we see what looked like blisters or pustules bursting. Whether this is signalling the facehugger's imminent birth or just a reaction to the light from Kane's torch or glove is not known. The egg begins to glow as Kane examines its contents through the shell. It opens and Kane looks in to see a breathing membrane, possibly responsible for the earlier exhalations. Suddenly the membrane ruptures as the facehugger bursts out and attaches itself to Kane's helmet with a scream and hissing sound. The hissing presumably the acid burning through his faceplate. Later examinations don't show any visible mouth, so it isn't clear how the facehugger makes the screeching sound. Only visible by freeze framing, we get a POV shot from inside Kane's helmet that reveals more than one tube breaking through, possibly three. One could be for the mouth and the others for his nose in order to help him breathe.